Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chantal and you're very much welcome. Okay, today, as to my old subscribers, hey, I hope everyone is good. I hope your families are good. Your life is perfect. Okay, so today I'm gonna be talking about how to style your hair and makeup to match your outfit. Okay. This is a great way to elevate your overall look and make you look polished and you know. So here are some few tips. Okay, first and foremost, you have to consider the occasion you're wearing that clothes for. You're making up. What are you gonna wear today? Okay, are you going to work, a special event, or just running errands? If you're going to work, you might want to opt for a more conservative look. If you're going for a special event, you can afford a more daring look. Okay? So think about the overall tone of your outfit. Okay, is it dressy or casual, dramatic or underrated? Okay, once you know the tone of your outfit, make sure you choose the hair and makeup that complements it. Choose colors that work well together. You don't have to match your hair and makeup to your outfit exactly, okay, but you should choose colors that complement each other. For example, if you're wearing a blue dress, you could choose to wear brown eyeshadows, okay, or nude lipstick. Or if you're wearing a black dress, of course, you know black, you should just wear a red lipstick and smoky eyes. Yes, that's perfect. So here are a few specific examples. Okay, casual outfits. Let's look at that. If you're wearing a pair of jeans, for example, and a t-shirt, okay, you could keep your hair and makeup style and makeup very simple. For your hair, you could tie it back in a ponytail or a messy bun or afro. For your makeup, you could apply a light foundation, very light concealer and mascara, okay, and just a little bit of lip gloss. You could also add a touch of blush. Okay, so now let's talk work outfit. Okay, if you're wearing a skirt or a dress to work, you might want to opt for a more polished look. For your hair, you could style it up in a slick updo or pony. For your makeup, you could apply a medium coverage foundation, concealer, and a powder. You could also add a touch of eyeshadow, blush, and lipstick. Don't exaggerate when you're going to work. Everything should be very medium. You understand? Okay. Now let's look at the night out outfit. Okay, if you're going out for a night out, you can afford to be more daring with your hair and makeup. For your hair, you could try a new hairstyle, okay, such as a blowout or curls or anything. You understand, something new. For your makeup, you could do a more dramatic thing, like you can add a more dramatic eyeshadow and go for a bold lipstick like red, blue, green. Okay, so there are a lot of options when it comes to night out dresses. Okay, no matter what your outfit is, the most important thing to do is to choose a hair and makeup that you feel confident in. I keep telling you that when you feel confident, you look your best. So everything you do when it comes to makeup, dresses, and everything, and any other thing, you should always feel confident in whatever you do. Okay, don't be afraid to experiment. See, fashion is experimentation. You have to learn how to experiment. There are no hard and fast rules when it comes to matching your hair and makeup to your outfit. Okay, try different things, okay, and see what looks best on you. Accessorize. I have a whole topic on that. Accessories are a great way for you to add a touch of your personality to your look. If you're wearing a simple outfit, you can add a statement necklace, or statement earrings. If you're wearing something more dressy, you can add a scarf or a hat. Okay, Have fun. Fashion and beauty should be enjoyable. Don't take it too seriously, okay? Just have fun. Huh? Just have fun. So that's it. So I hope you had fun. And if you did, please don't forget to like this video. And subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that when next I post videos like these on fashion and stuff, you will be the first to be notified, okay? Yeah, today I'm wearing like leopard kind of stuff. What do you call this? A handcuff? I don't know how to call it, but in French we call it brassard. I don't know it in English. An handcuff, okay. And a daring statement necklace. Yep. So and of course my husband. So yeah, see you next week for more fashion tips. Glamour.